Hey LILAK Stylistas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Kindly click the subscribe button down below. Do not forget to like and comment on this video. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to transform a men's shirt into an asymmetric top. First off, I brought the back of the shirt to the front and insert my left hand into the sleeve. Take the lower part of the shirt and the other sleeve, wrap both around the waist, and then tie a knot. So all I did here was tuck in the collar into the shirt, and that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like and comment on this video. For more content, kindly subscribe to my channel.